Israel deployed 100 fighter jets in a massive airstrike, bombing over 120 Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon within 1 hour on October 2nd. The attack was part of Israel's effort to weaken Hezbollah's military capabilities, following escalating tension between the two sides. On the same day, Hamas fired rockets from Gaza into Israel, and Hezbollah launched about 190 rockets into northern Israel. The conflict has intensified after Israel's assassination of key Hezbollah leaders and its limited ground operation in Lebanon. Iran also retaliated by launching missiles at Israel, further raising tensions.